it!
Crap, you got that on camera.
Yeah, I
They have
did.
proof.
Nice.
What's that?
Nice. Wait, I thought you had a hanger.
What hanger? It's right there.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, weren't there 3?
Right there.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's, It's not the face of guilt, is it?
It was all Steve.
He's trying to hide.
See, he can't even show you his face.
Well, what if you...
Here. See, look at that. He just looks like a thug. Actually, he kind of looks like a stroke victim, to be honest.
What evil things?
I'm sorry, Steve. I heart you.
Everyone hearts Steve.
Oh! I dropped Steve on his head.
It's the only
Steve.
place you can drop him.
With an F. Steve.
Steve.
Steve. Hey, Steve. Hey, you guys.
Rocky. Roman?
What are you doing with his larynx?
I don't know. I was trying to make